1번 인코테엄즈 2014의 DDP에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 delivered duty paid means that the seller delivers the goods when the goods are placed at the disposal of the buyer. Cleared for import on the arriving means of transport ready for unloading at the named place of destination. 2번 The parties are well advised to specify as clearly as possible the point within the agreed place of destination, as the costs and risks to that point are for the account of the seller. The seller is advised to procure contracts of carriage that match this choice precisely. 3번 If the seller incurs costs under its contract of carriage related to unloading at the place of destination, the seller is not entitled to recover such costs from the buyer unless otherwise agreed with the parties. The parties are well advised to use DDP if the seller is unable directly or indirectly to obtain import clearance. 4번 DDP represents the maximum obligation for the seller. 5번 If the parties wish the buyer to bear all risks and costs of import clearance, the DAP rule should be used. 정답은 3번입니다. 2번 인코테엄즈 2010에서 적용하고 있는 패키징의 정의가 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은? 1번 기역, 2번 니은, 3번 기역, 이은, 4번 이은, 디귿, 5번 기역, 니은, 디귿. 정답은 3번입니다. 3번 신용장상의 서류제 시기한이 다음과 같이 표기된 경우 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600의 규정에 따르면 서류의 최종 제시기한은 1번 6월 3일, 2번 6월 5일, 3번 6월 6일, 4번 6월 7일, 5번 6월 10일. 정답은 4번입니다. 4번 우추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522에 관한 내용이다. 안에 들어갈 당사자로 옳은 것은? 1번 애플리컨트, 2번 프린서펠, 3번 베너피시에리, 4번 로여, 5번 케이스 오브 니드. 정답은 5번입니다. 5번 인코테엄즈 2014의 EXW에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 This rule may be used irrespective of the mode of transport selected and may also be used where more than one mode of transport is employed. It is suitable for international trade together with FCA. 2번 The parties are well advised to specify as clearly as possible the point within the named place of delivery, as the costs and risks to that point are for the account of the seller. EXW represents the minimum obligation for the seller. 3번 The seller has no obligation to the buyer to load the goods. 이번 도인 practice the seller may be in a better position to do so. If the seller does load the goods, it does so at the buyer's risk and expense. 4번 In cases where the seller is in a better position to load the goods, FCA, which obliges the seller to do so at its own risk and expense, is usually more appropriate. 5번 The seller has an obligation to provide only such assistance as the buyer may require to effect that export. The seller is not bound to organize the export clearance. 정답은 1번입니다. 6번 다음 국제무역규칙 중 단에 동일한 내용이 들어갈 수 없는 것은? 1번 Carriage of goods on the contrary to express agreement for carriage under deck is deemed to be on of the carrier within the meaning of Article 8, Hamburg Rules. 2번 Loss of or damage to the goods after the risk has passed to the buyer does not discharge him from his obligation to pay the price, unless the loss or damage is due to one of the seller. 3번 A party may not rely on a failure of the other party to perform, to the extent that such failure was caused by the first parties. 4번. The preceding paragraph regrading effects of the contract, Article 82, 1, of CISG, does not apply if the impossibility of making restitution of the goods or of making restitution of the goods substantially in the condition in which the buyer received them is not due to his. 5번. Banking day means a day on which a bank is regularly open at the place at which one, subject to these rules, is to be performed. 정답은 5번입니다. 7번. 다음에서 설명하는 무역 서류로 옳은 것은? 1번. Letter of Credit Acceptance Financing. 2번. Letter of Guarantee. 3번. Letter of Intent. 4번. Letter of Indemnity. 5번. Letter of Attorney. 정답은 3번입니다. 8번. 협회적 하약관 ICC 2009의 보험기간 도레이션에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. This insurance terminates on completion of unloading from the carrying vehicle or other conveyance in or at the final warehouse or place of storage at the destination named in the contract of insurance. 2번. This insurance terminates on completion of unloading from the carrying vehicle or other conveyance in or at any other warehouse or place of storage, the prior to or at the destination named in the contract of insurance. 3번. This insurance terminates when the assured or their employees elect to use any carrying vehicle or other conveyance or any container for storage other than in the ordinary course of transit. 4번. This insurance terminates on the expiry of 60 days after completion of discharge oversight of the subject matter insured from the overseas vessel at the final port of discharge. 5번. This insurance may extend beyond the time the subject matter insured is first moved for the purpose of the commencement of transit to such other destination. 정답은 5번입니다. 9번. 다음은 비즈니스 계약서의 일부 조항이다. 이 조항에 해당하는 것은? 1번. 포어스 머저. 2번. 터머네이션. 3번. 세버러빌러티. 4번. 벌리더티. 5번. 이버. 정답은 3번입니다. 10번. 5. 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔협약 CISG 1980 상 물품의 일치성에 관한 규정이다. 안에 들어갈 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번. Alpit for the purposes for which goods of the same description would ordinarily be used. 2번. Alpit for any particular purpose expressly or impliedly made known to the seller at the time of the conclusion of the contract, except where the circumstances show that the buyer did not rely, or that it was unreasonable for him to rely, on the seller's skill and judgment. 3번. Possess the qualities of goods which the seller has held out to the buyer, as a sample or model. 4번. Are contained or packaged in the manner usual for such goods or there is no such manner, in a manner adequate to preserve and protect the goods. 5번. Furnish the marks, number, quantity or weight of goods or state declaring the nature or value of goods if at the time of the conclusion of the contract the buyer knew or could not have been unaware of such lack of conformity of the goods. 정답은 5번입니다. 11번. 다음 단에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번. A 플로팅 팔러시, 셀비지 차어지즈, 페렐즈 오브 더 시즈, 파이러츠. 2번. A 언백뉴드 팔러시, 셀비지 리뮤너레이션즈, 페렐즈 온 더 시즈, 파이러츠. 3번. A 플로팅 팔러시, 셀비지 차어지즈, 페렐즈 온 더 시즈, 라버즈. 4번. A 플로팅 팔러시, 셀비지 리뮤너레이션즈, 페렐즈 오브 더 시즈, 라버즈. 5번. A 언백뉴드 팔러시, 셀비지 리뮤너레이션즈, 페렐즈 오브 더 시즈, 라버즈. 정답은 1번입니다. 12번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980 상청약에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 A proposal for concluding a contract addressed to one or more specific persons constitutes an offer if it is sufficiently definite and indicates the intention of the offeror to be bound in case of acceptance. A proposal is sufficiently definite if it indicates the goals and only expressly fixes or makes provision for determining the quantity and the price. 2번 proposal other than one addressed to one or more specific persons is to be considered merely as an invitation to make offers, unless the contrary is clearly indicated by the person making the proposal. 3번 an offer 2번 if it is irrevocable, may be withdrawn if the withdrawal reaches the offeree before or at the same time as the offer. 4번 an offer becomes effective when it reaches the offeree. 5번 until a contract is concluded an offer may be revoked if the revocation reaches the offeree before he has dispatched an acceptance. 정답은 1번입니다. 13번 다음은 영국 물품매매법에 관한 내용이다. 안에 들어갈 용어가 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 컨디션, 오런티, 컨디션, 오런티. 2번 컨디션, 오런티, 도런티, 컨디션. 3번 컨디션, 컨디션, 오런티, 오런티. 4번 오런티, 컨디션, 컨디션, 오런티. 5번 오런티, 컨디션, 오런티, 컨디션. 정답은 1번입니다. 14번 운국제물품복합운송조약, MT조약, 1980, 상소송의 제한, 리미테이션 오브 액션즈에 관한 내용이다. 안에 들어갈 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 6 months, 1 month. 2번 1 year, 2 months. 3번 1 year, 6 months. 4번 2 years, 6 months. 5번 2 years, 1 year. 정답은 4번입니다. 15번 화한 신용장 통일 규칙 UCP 600 상선화증권의 요건이 아닌 것은? 1번 The bill of lading must appear to indicate the name of the carrier and be signed by the carrier or a named agent for on behalf of the carrier, or the master or a named agent for on behalf of the master. 2번 The bill of lading must appear to indicate that the goods have been shipped on board a named vessel at the port of loading stated in the credit by preprinted wording, or an on-board notation indicating the date on which the goods have been shipped on board. 3번 The bill of lading must appear to indicate shipment from the port of loading to the port of discharge stated in the credit. 4번 A bill of lading must appear to be the sole original bill of lading or, if issued in more than one original, be the full set as indicated on the bill of lading. 5번 A bill of lading must appear to contain terms and conditions of carriage or make reference to another source containing the terms and conditions of carriage, short form or blank back bill of lading. Contents of terms and conditions of carriage will be examined. 정답은 1번입니다. 16번 우추심에 관한 통일 규칙 URC 522 상추심의 당사자 parties to a collection에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 The principal who is the party entrusting the handling of a collection to a bank. 2번 The limiting bank which is the bank to which the principal has entrusted the handling of a collection. 3번 The collecting bank which is any bank, other than the limiting bank, involved in processing the collection. 4번 The presenting bank which is a beneficiary, bank or other party that makes a presentation. 5번 The drawee is the one to whom presentation is to be made in accordance with the collection instruction. 정답은 4번입니다. 17번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980 상 매도인의 계약 위반에 대한 구제 레미디즈 포 브리치 오브 컨트랙트 바이 더 셀러에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 If the seller delivers the goods before the date fixed, the buyer may take delivery or refuse to take delivery. 2번 If the seller requests the buyer to make known whether he will accept performance and the buyer does not comply with the request within a reasonable time, the seller may not perform within the time indicated in his request. 3번 If the seller delivers a quantity of goods greater than that provided for in the contract, the buyer may take delivery or refuse to take delivery of the excess quantity. If the buyer takes delivery of all or part of the excess quantity, he must pay for it at the contract rate. 4번 The buyer may declare the contract avoided in its entirety only if the failure to make delivery completely or in conformity with the contract amounts to a fundamental breach of the contract. 5번 If the goods do not conform with the contract and whether or not the price has already been paid, the buyer may reduce the price in the same proportion as the value that the goods actually delivered had at the time of the delivery bears to the value that conforming goods would have had at that time. 정답은 2번입니다. 18번 다음에 밑줄 친 뒤가 의미하는 신용장거래 당사자가 다른 것은 1번 We authorize you to value on XXX for US 6만 달러. 2번 We have drawn on USI for US 6만 달러. 3번 We open our irrevocable LC in your favor. 4번 Engage with you that draft drawn in conformity with the conditions of this credit will be duly honored by us. 5번 We establish our transferable credit for US 25,000달러 valid until August 20 in your favor. 정답은 2번입니다. 19번 해상화물운송에 관한 유엔 협약 햄버그 룰즈 1978의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The carrier is liable except in general average. A loss, damage or delay in delivery resulted from measures to save life or from reasonable measures to save property. 2번 The carrier is entitled to carry the goods on deck only if such carriage is in accordance with an agreement with the shipper or with the usage of the particular trade or is required by statutory rules or regulations. 3번 And to the extent that both the carrier and the actual carrier are liable, their liability is joint and several. 4번 If the carrier or other person issuing the bill of lading on his behalf fails to note on the bill of lading the apparent condition of the goods, he is deemed to have noted on the bill of lading that the goods were in apparent good condition. 5번 Except for particulars in respect of which and to the extent to which a reservation permitted under paragraph 1 of this article 16 has been entered, proof to the contrary by the carrier is not admissible if the bill of lading has been transferred to a third party, including a consignee, who in good faith has acted in reliance on the description of the goods therein. 정답은 1번입니다. 20번 매매계약서 작성 시 계약 체결 이전에 존재하던 약속이나 합의사항의 효력을 배제하고자 하는 경우 다음과 같은 조항을 삽입하게 된다. 안에 들어갈 내용으로 적절한 것은 1번 오런티 2번 인타이어 어그리먼트 3번 컨디션 4번 컨시더레이션 5번 개런티 정답은 2번입니다. 21번 인코테엄즈 2010의 주요 특징 중 하나인 연속매매 스트링 세일즈에 관한 설명이다. 안에 들어갈 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 다운 A 스트링 시프 시큐링 시큐어 고즈즈 시프트 2번 업 A 스트링 시프스 레일 프로큐링 시큐어 고즈즈 시프트 3번 다운 A 스트링 보어드, 시큐링, 프로큐어 고즈즈 시프트. 4번, 업 A 스트링, 시프스 레일, 프로큐링, 프로큐어 고즈즈 시프트. 5번, 다운 A 스트링, 시프, 프로큐링, 프로큐어 고즈즈 시프트. 정답은 5번입니다. 22번, 승낙, 억세프턴스으로 볼 수 있는 문장은 1번, We will accept your offer if you guarantee shipment during September, not October. 2번, We accept your offer of May 12인ch order to execute the first transaction with you. 3번, Will accept your offer if shipment is to be made in June. 4번, We regret that we have to decline your offer for the time being. 5번, We would accept your offer if it is possible to discount of 5% off the price you have offered. 정답은 2번입니다. 23번, 화환신용장 통일규칙, UCP 600, 상장도 가능 신용장 및 대금의 양도에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은 1번, Transferable credit means a credit that specifically states it is transferable. A transferable credit may be made available in whole or in part to another beneficiary, second beneficiary, at the request of the applicant. 2번, unless otherwise agreed at the time of transfer, all charges, such as commissions, fees, costs or expenses, incurred in respect of a transfer must be paid by the second beneficiary. 3번, 이 request for transfer must indicate if and under what conditions amendments may be advised to the second beneficiary. The transferred credit does not have to indicate those conditions. 4번, the first beneficiary has the right to substitute its own invoice and draft, if any, for those of a second beneficiary for an amount not in excess of that stipulated in the credit. And upon such substitution the first beneficiary can draw under the credit for the difference, if any, between its invoice and the invoice of a second beneficiary. 5번, the fact that a credit is not stated to be transferable shall not affect the right of the beneficiary to assign any proceeds to which it may be or may become entitled under the credit, in accordance with the provisions of applicable law. This article relates not only to the assignment of proceeds but also to the assignment of the right to perform under the credit. 정답은 4번입니다. 24번의 다음은 영국 환어음법상 환어음의 정의에 관한 설명이다. 안에 들어갈 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 unconditional drawer, 2번 conditional bearer, 3번 unconditional drawee, 4번 unconditional bearer, 5번 conditional holder. 정답은 4번입니다. 25번 해상화물운송에 관한 유엔 협약 햄버그 룰즈 1978에서 소송의 제한 리미테이션 오브 액션즈에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 However, the time allowed shall not be less than 90 days commencing from the day when the person instituting such action for indemnity has settled the claim or has been served with process in the action against himself. 2번 The limitation period commences on the day on which the carrier has delivered the goods or part thereof or, in cases where no goods have been delivered, on the last day on which the goods should have been delivered. 3번 The day on which the limitation period commences is included in the period. 4번 The person against whom a claim is made may at any time during the running of the limitation period extend that period by a declaration in writing to the claimant. This period may be further extended by another declaration or declarations. 5번 An action for indemnity by a person held liable may be instituted even after the expiration of the limitation period provided for in the preceding paragraphs if instituted within the time allowed by the law of the state where proceedings are instituted. 정답은 3번입니다. 26번 선화증권에 관한 법규의 통일을 위한 국제협약 헤이그 룰즈 1924 상 운송인의 책임사항에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Unless notice of loss or damage and the general nature of such loss or damage be given in writing to the carrier or his agent at the port of discharge before or at the time of the removal of the goods into the custody of the person entitled to delivery thereof under the contract of carriage, or if the loss or damage be not apparent within 3 days. Such removal shall be prima facie evidence of the delivery by the carrier of the goods as described in the bill of lading. 2번 If the loss or damage is not apparent, the notice must be given within 3 days of the delivery of the goods. 3번 The notice in writing need not be given if the state of the goods has, at the time of their receipt, been the subject of joint survey or inspection. 4번 In any event the carrier and the ship shall be discharged from all liability in respect of loss or damage unless suit is brought within 2 years after delivery of the goods or the date when the goods should have been delivered. 5번 In the case of an actual or apprehended loss or damage the carrier and the receiver shall give all reasonable facilities to each other for inspecting and tallying the goods. 정답은 4번입니다. 27번 다음 단에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 with, within, taken expressly 2번 of, within, taken otherwise 3번 with, in, taken otherwise 4번 of, within, took expressly 5번 with, in, took expressly 정답은 1번입니다. 28번 전자식 선화증권에 관한 CMI 통일규칙 1990 상 절차에 관한 규칙 Rules of Procedure에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The EDI under these rules should conform with the relevant UNDDFACT standards. However, the parties may use any other method of trade data interchange acceptable to all of the users. 2번 Unless otherwise agreed, the document format for the contract of carriage shall conform to the own layout key or compatible national standard for bills of lading. 3번 Unless otherwise agreed, a recipient of a transmission is not authorized to act on a transmission unless he has sent a confirmation. 4번 In the event of a dispute arising with the parties as to the data actually transmitted, an electronic monitoring system may be used to verify the data received. 5번 Any transfer of rights to the goods shall be considered to be private information and shall be released to any outside party not connected to the transport or clearance of the goods. 정답은 5번입니다. 29번 다음 청약의 내용 중 확정 청약, firm offer은 1번 We are pleased to offer you without engagement 2번 We are pleased to offer you subject to market fluctuation 3번 We are pleased to offer you subject to your reply being received hereby May 30, 2013 4번 We are pleased to offer you subject to change without notice 5번 We are pleased to offer you subject to prior sale. 정답은 3번입니다. 30번 다음은 비즈니스 서한의 일부이다. 문맥의 내용상 단에 가장 적절한 단어는 1번 answer 2번 place 3번 take 4번 keep 5번 offer 정답은 2번입니다. 31번 화환신용장 통일규칙 주CP 600 상에 지시받은 당사자의 행위에 대한 면책 디스클레이머 for acts of an instructed party에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 A bank utilizing the service of another bank for the purpose of giving effect to the instructions of the applicant does so for the account and at the risk of the applicant. 2번 An issuing bank or advising bank assumes no liability or responsibility should the instructions it transmits to another bank not be carried out. 2번 If it has taken the initiative in the choice of that other bank. 3번 A bank instructing another bank to perform service is liable for any commissions, fees, costs or expenses charges incurred by that bank in connection with its instructions. 4번 If a credit states that charges are for the account of the beneficiary and charges cannot be collected or deducted from proceeds, the negotiating bank remains liable for payment of charges. 5번 The applicant shall be bound by and liable to indemnify A bank against all obligations and responsibilities imposed by foreign laws and usages. 정답은 4번입니다. 32번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600에서 서류심사기준과 수리에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Banks will accept the document as presented if its content appears to fulfill the function of the required document and otherwise complies with sub-article 14D. Under a credit requiring presentation of a document other than a transport document, insurance document or commercial invoice, without stipulating by whom the document is to be issued or its data content. 2번 Banks will accept a bill of lading indicating that transshipment will or may take place. 2번 If the credit prohibits transshipment, if the goods have been shipped in a container, trailer or else which bears as evidenced by the bill of lading. 3번 Banks will accept a road, rail or inland waterway transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place. 2번 If the credit prohibits transshipment. 4번 Banks will only accept a clean transport document bearing no clause or notation expressly declaring a defective condition of the goods or their packaging. The word clean need not appear on a transport document. 2번 If a credit has a requirement for that transport document to be clean on board. 5번 Credit should state the type of insurance required and, if any, the additional risks to be covered. An insurance document will not be accepted without regard to any risks that are not covered if the credit uses imprecise terms such as usual risks or customary risks. 정답은 5번입니다. 33번 다음은 인코테엄즈 2014의 DAT에 관한 설명이다. 밑줄 친 부분 중 옳지 않은 것은 1번, 2번, 3번, 4번, 5번. 정답은 4번입니다. 34번 미국 현지 법인의 매출에 관한 프리젠테이션으로 문맥상 순서를 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 디귿, 기역, 미음, 비읍, 리을, 니은 2번 디귿, 니은, 기역, 미음, 비읍, 리을 3번 디귿, 니은, 비읍, 기역, 미음, 리을 4번 미음, 기역, 디귿, 리을, 비읍, 니은 5번 미음, 기역, 디귿, 비읍, 리을, 니은. 정답은 1번입니다. 35번 다음에서 설명하는 선화증권, 빌 오브 레이딩, 비벨의 종류로서 옳은 것은 1번 오어더 빌 오브 레이딩 2번 스트레이트 빌 오브 레이딩 3번 아프셔넬 빌 오브 레이딩 4번 스루 빌 오브 레이딩 5번 포워더즈 빌 오브 레이딩. 정답은 2번입니다. 36번 인코테엄즈 2014의 CIF에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 더 리스크 오브 로스 오브 워 데미지 투 더 고즈즈 패시즈 웬 더 고즈즈 알 온 보어드 더 베셀 2번 더 셀러 머스트 컨트랙트 포 앤드 페이 더 코스트 앤드 프레이트 네세서리 투 브링 더 고즈즈 투 더 네임드 플레이스 오브 데스터네이션 3번 더 셀러 올소 컨트랙트 포 인쇼런스 커버 어겐스트 더 바이어즈 리스크 오브 로스 오브 워 데미지 투 더 고즈즈 도링 더 캐리지. 4번 더 바이어 슈드 노트 데트 언더 CIF 더 셀러 이즈 리콰이어드 투 어브테인 인쇼런스 온리온 미너멈 커버. 5번 슈드 더 바이어 위시 투 해브 모어 인쇼런스 프로텍션. It will lead either to agree as much expressly with the seller or to make its own extra insurance arrangement. 정답은 2번입니다. 37번 다음은 보험 위부에 관한 설명이다. 안에 들어갈 용어로 옳은 것은 1번 서브러게이션 2번 제너럴 에브리지 3번 컨스트럭티브 토텔 로스 4번 셀비지 차어지 5번 액초일 토텔 로스. 정답은 3번입니다. 38번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 운협약 CISG 1980의 총칙 제너럴 프로비전즈에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 퀘스천즈 컨서닝 메터즈 거번드 바이 디스 컨벤션 위치 알랏 익스프레슬리 세텔드 인 이트 알 투 비 세텔드 인 컨포머티 위드 더 제너럴 프린서펠즈 온 위치 이트 이즈 베이스트 오어 인 더 에브선스 오브 서치 프린서펠즈 인 컨포머티 위드 더 로 애플리커벨 바이 버초 오브 더 룰즈 오브 프라이버트 인터내셔널로. 2번 Statement made by and other conduct of a party are to be interpreted according to his intent where the other party knew or could not have been unaware what that intent was. 3번 In determining the intent of a party or understanding a reasonable person would have had to consideration is to be given to all relevant circumstances of the case including the negotiations. Any practices which the parties have established with themselves, usages and any subsequent conduct of the parties. 4번 The parties are bound by any usage to which they have agreed and by any practices which they have established with themselves. 5번 The parties are considered to have impliedly made applicable to their contract or its formation a usage of which the parties know ought to have known and which in national transaction is widely known to and regularly observed by parties to contracts of the type involved in the particular trade concerned. 정답은 5번입니다. 39번 화환신용장 통일규칙 QCP 600 에서 단어의 의미로 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은 1번 기역, 니은 2번 디귿, 리을 3번 기역, 이은, 리을 4번 니은, 디귿, 리을 5번 기역, 이은, 디귿, 리을. 정답은 3번입니다. 40번 5 국제물품매매 계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980의 적용 범위 스피어 오브 어플리케이션에 관한 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 This convention applies to contracts of sale of goods with parties whose places of business are in different states when the states are contracting states or when the rules of private international law lead to the application of the law of a contracting state. 2번 The fact that the parties have their places of business in different states is to be disregarded whenever this fact does not appear either from the contract or from any dealings with, or from information disclosed by the parties at any time before or at the conclusion of the contract. 3번 Neither the nationality of the parties nor the civil or commercial character of the parties or of the contract is to be taken into consideration in determining the application of this convention. 4번 This convention applies to sales of goods both for personal, family or household use, unless the seller, at any time before or at the conclusion of the contract, neither knew nor ought to have known that the goods were bought for any such use. 5번 This convention does not apply to contracts in which the preponderant part of the obligations of the party who furnishes the goods consists in the supply of labor or other service. 정답은 4번입니다.